total experience here is very great. Maano sila, maalaga. Pagpasok pa lang, talagang you welcome. You feeling like home with regards on this medical city. Para ka lang nasa bahay, like a family. No, they comfort you everything. Even medicine will be injected on you. They will ask your permissions and everything. So it was a great experience with this hospital. Yes, of course. Actually, it was recommended to me by Dr. Caras because based on my situation right now, he's the one who recommended me on this hospital, and I feel great also. So the staff is working very well. Masipag silang lahat. Talagang they will comfort you, even those ill that you have here at the hospital. Talagang very accommodating sila. Yeah, to the doctors, especially Dr. Caras, Dr. Lapos, who made me the operation last night. So I'm very thankful for them for the success operations with regards on my ill. This morning also, Dr. Caras dropped by here and telling everything. So they are very good with regards on comforting those patients. So if even the nurses, the staff, also they are very accommodating here. So many thanks to them.
If you like this video, please follow our FB page and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more health videos.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell.